If your yo-yo has a seat attached, remove it so you're starting with the bare frame. Slide the newborn pack base through the strap on the frame, align the back pins, first the right side, then the left, pressing the white pin in until you hear a click. Add the fabric shell over the base and fasten it using the Velcro straps and clips. Insert the canopy rods into the fabric loops. Then insert the rod into the frame and secure the cord loops. Lay the padded mattress inside, then pull out and arrange the harness so it's ready to go. Attach the plastic clips on either side of the stroller frame. Make sure everything is clipped, strapped, and secure, and you're ready for your first stroll. Your yo-yo folds easily with the newborn pack attached.